You can see we have the three workshops, 9, 10, and 11. We are located in the Foshan, and we are the original factory. The total area is about 30,000 square meters. It's big. And we focus on the producing expandable container house and export overseas. Here is our sample. 1, 2, 3. This is our production line, and this is already finished and waiting for loading. We can make a 2-story house, and you can make the stair on outside or inside. And if you need, you can custom the gable roof here to that. Now let's go inside to visit this door of this house. This is how we made the 2.4 meters high. One kitchen here, you can cook here, and here's the back sliding door. You can go outside on here. And the bedroom door, we use the wooden door. And the bathroom door, we use the double layer glass door. High level. We can custom different sockets, your country. Floor, we use the SPC floor like this one. This is other factory, use this one. This one, you can see it's a 4 mm thickness, but we use this. We plus this spacer. So the total thickness is a 6 thickness. And it's a more better installation, thermal installation, and stable. This is the 25th size, and this is a folding state. The folding size is the 2.2 meters wide, and the length, it's the 5.9 meters, and high is the 2.5 meters. And one 40 high cube container can hold to this house